fam, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I want to do my routine. This is my morning routine, like make this smoothie for myself before I go to work or step out for the day. So here I have dates. This is the original name, in case you're wondering what is dates. This is dates, and this is what it looks like, guys. So I'm going to be using about 3 of it. Okay, so here I have kiwi. This is what kiwi looks like. It's a very good fruit. Yeah, kiwi is very good. This is it. It's a very good fruit. And we are using pineapple as well. We are going to be using some rice berries. In case you're asking what is rice berries, this is rice berries. It looks like strawberries, but it's not strawberries. Okay, so I'll be using some of my grapes. I have green grapes and I have the red grapes. I'll just mix a little bit. I don't have so much. I'm just going to use few of it so I can have some to do my smoothie for another day. So here I have strawberries. I'm going to be using all of the strawberries because yeah, I want to get another one. This one has lasted for me. And then we're going to be using onion. This is to help your immune system. Red onion will help you boost your immune system. You can look it up. I'm sure you will love it. I'm going to go ahead and cut my pineapple up, get them cleaned up, and then we'll blend and drink. That's just it. I'm not about to waste time in this video. Yeah, I'll be using this very vinegar. This is beautiful one, apple cider vinegar. This is the one I use, the one that says with mother. This is a very good one, in case you want to try it. So let's get right into this video. So guys, I have my onion here. I'm going to add my rice berries. That's it for my rice berries. I'm going to add my dates. Just 4 of it. That's my dates. Here's my kiwi. I'm going to add my kiwi. I'm going to add my grapes, strawberries. Add whatever fruits of your choice, okay? Yeah, I love to work with a lot of fruits, and I make it my breakfast, or I can just take it for the whole of the day. Once you do this, you'll see how wonderful your body will be. So light. I'm adding my pineapples, and I'm adding some rosemaries. Yeah, rosemaries is very medicinal. So guys, I'm going to add my apple cider vinegar. Yep. Cover it up and blend to puree. So guys, look how smooth it is. Blend to the consistency that you like. I like it very smooth. It is called smoothie, and I like it light as well. So I'm just gonna add it to the guys. Here is our smoothie. Look how delicious. Yes, I can take this the whole of the day sometimes. Yeah, I just thought I should show you guys today. Okay, be chaste, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you for staying. Ciao, see you in my next video.